This is a 2014 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman in white. Under the hood you have a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine. On the front you have your towing hooks as well as your bumper. It's sitting on huge BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, blacked out, able to handle any road. It has your custom emblem on the outside, Ram Tough, as well as some custom paint job and the Hemi. On the door you have power locks and power windows, and looking inside you can see premium grey cloth seating. On the steering wheel you have hands-free calling and cruise control, and looking in at the odometer it has 94,428 kilometers on it. The center touchscreen comes with AM and FM radio. You also have USB, you can pair Spotify, and you have your different audio settings. You can connect your device. And this is a custom Exelon Kenwood touchscreen. You can also get Sirius XM radio on it if you would like. And you can pair your phone. Below that you have your dial gear shift with your 4-wheel drive options, your climate control settings. You have your center console with 3 cup holders, and a center storage compartment that opens up, revealing USB and aux. And it becomes a third front seat if needed. And on your passenger side, your passenger has tons of space and a lot of room to sit comfortably, power locks, power windows on the door, and a glove box. And up above you have a control panel for your power rear window. You see a nice and spacious back seat with lots of space and lots of room for everyone to sit nice and comfortably. On the back you have a trailer hitch for all your towing needs, and looking in you can see a lined truck bed with tons of space and lots of room to haul all your tools and equipment. And that's the 2014 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman in white. If you like what you see, come on down to Tower Chrysler today and take it for a test drive. Or give us a call at 403-278-2020 for more information. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you.